must not was just a bunch of grunt. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Right now, like she fighting good. She doesn't give up. One more, just like how you said it. Hey guys, here's a few clips of me reeling in some nice yellowtails. We were testing out a 20-foot century that sat for a few years. I'm glad to say that the boat ran excellent. You probably will see it in a few future videos. All she needs now is a serious clean and some bells and whistles. The camera isn't doing it justice, but those waves were huge. And as you can probably tell from the audio, the wind was non-stop. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is true elsewhere in the world or even here in the Bahamas, but in my experience, yellowtails like white bait. If I cut a chunk of squid, flip it inside out, put it on my hook, that usually increases my chance of getting a yellowtail. Right here, I caught nothing but land. Pro tip, if you just throw your line out and you still have bait on it and you got hooked, you did a weight check and you got hooked, the best thing to do is just leave it and wait for a fish to come and pick it loose. And if you're lucky, you'll get your hook and your sinker back. The little bugger swallowed the hook. And if you're wondering why I'm not using gloves or a dehooker, that's just me. I prefer to keep it natural.